John was a vibrant man in his early 50s, full of life and plans for the future. He loved spending time with his family and had a passion for gardening. But over a few months, John started experiencing unusual fatigue, persistent stomach pains, and unexplained weight loss. He dismissed these symptoms as just signs of getting older and stress from work. He ignored his wife's pleas to see a doctor, thinking it was nothing serious. It wasn't until John collapsed one afternoon that he finally sought medical help. Tragically, the diagnosis was advanced stage colon cancer. The doctors informed him that the cancer had spread too far for effective treatment, and John passed away within a few months, leaving his family heartbroken and in shock. John's story highlights the critical importance of recognizing early warning signs of cancer. Symptoms like unexplained weight loss, persistent fatigue, unusual bleeding, or changes in bowel habits are not to be ignored. These signs can often be the body's way of indicating something is wrong, and early detection can significantly improve the chances of successful treatment. When cancer is caught early, treatment options are more varied and often more effective, leading to better outcomes and survival rates. Regular checkups and paying attention to any unusual changes in your body can make a world of difference. It's crucial to listen to your body and seek medical advice if something doesn't seem right. Early detection not only increases the chances of beating cancer, but also helps maintain a better quality of life during and after treatment. Remember, it's always better to be safe and get checked out than to ignore potential warning signs. Your health is your most valuable asset, and taking proactive steps can save your life. Number 1. Unexplained weight loss. Unexplained weight loss can be a significant early warning sign of cancer. If you lose 10 pounds or more without trying, it could be your body's way of indicating a serious issue. Cancers such as stomach, lung, or pancreatic cancer are often associated with this symptom. When cancer cells grow, they consume a lot of energy, causing the body to lose weight. This unintended weight loss should never be ignored. Recognizing early signs of cancer, like unexplained weight loss, is crucial because early detection greatly improves the chances of successful treatment. When cancer is caught early, treatment options are more varied and often more effective, leading to better outcomes and survival rates. Regular checkups and being attentive to any unusual changes in your body are essential steps in maintaining your health. If you experience sudden weight loss, consult with a healthcare provider immediately to rule out cancer or other serious conditions. Ignoring symptoms like unexplained weight loss can lead to delayed diagnosis and treatment, which reduces the chances of recovery. Your health is your most valuable asset. Taking proactive steps to monitor and address any unusual changes can save your life. Number 2, persistent fatigue. Persistent fatigue is another critical early warning sign of cancer that should not be ignored. Feeling extremely tired all the time, even after getting enough rest, can be alarming. This type of fatigue is often not relieved by sleep and can significantly impact your daily activities. Cancers like leukemia, colon cancer, or stomach cancer can cause this persistent tiredness because cancer cells can interfere with your body's normal functioning and energy production. Recognizing persistent fatigue as a potential sign of cancer is essential for early detection and treatment. When cancer is caught in its early stages, the chances of successful treatment are much higher. Early diagnosis allows for more treatment options and better outcomes. Regular health checkups and paying close attention to your body's signals are vital steps in staying healthy. If you notice that you are persistently tired without any apparent reason, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare provider to rule out cancer or other serious conditions. Ignoring persistent fatigue can delay diagnosis and treatment, reducing your chances of recovery. Number 3, fever. Fever is an important early warning sign of cancer that should not be overlooked. A persistent fever that doesn't go away can be a sign of an underlying health issue, including cancer. Cancers like leukemia or lymphoma often cause a prolonged fever as they affect the body's immune system, making it harder to fight off infections and leading to a constant state of elevated temperature. Recognizing fever as a potential indicator of cancer is crucial for early detection. Early diagnosis significantly improves the chances of successful treatment. When cancer is detected early, treatment options are more varied and often more effective, leading to better outcomes. Regular health checkups and being vigilant about changes in your body are essential steps in maintaining your health. If you experience a persistent fever without any clear cause, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider to rule out cancer or other serious conditions. Ignoring a persistent fever can lead to delayed diagnosis and treatment, reducing the chances of a positive outcome. Number 4, pain. Pain is a significant early warning sign of cancer that should never be ignored. Persistent pain, especially if it doesn't seem to have a clear cause or doesn't go away with standard treatments, can be a red flag. Cancers like bone cancer, testicular cancer, or even brain tumors can cause ongoing pain in specific areas of the body. This pain may start gradually and intensify over time, often becoming more noticeable at night or during periods of rest. Recognizing persistent pain as a potential symptom of cancer is crucial for early detection and treatment. Early diagnosis greatly improves the chances of successful treatment. When cancer is caught early, treatment options are more varied and often more effective, leading to better outcomes and survival rates. Regular health checkups and paying attention to any unusual changes in your body, including persistent pain, are essential steps in maintaining your health. If you experience unexplained and ongoing pain, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider to rule out cancer or other serious conditions. Ignoring persistent pain can lead to delayed diagnosis and treatment, reducing the chances of recovery. Your health is your most valuable asset. Taking proactive steps to monitor and address any unusual changes can save your life. Number 5, skin changes. Skin changes can be an early warning sign of cancer that should not be ignored. Unusual changes in your skin, such as new growths, sores that don't heal, or alterations in existing moles can be indicators of skin cancer. Melanoma, a dangerous type of skin cancer, often starts as a new mole or a change in an existing mole's size, shape, or color. It's crucial to watch for any changes in your skin's appearance and to be aware of any new spots or growths. Recognizing skin changes as potential signs of cancer is essential for early detection and treatment. Early diagnosis significantly improves the chances of successful treatment. When skin cancer is caught in its early stages, it can often be treated effectively with minor surgical procedures. Regularly examining your skin for any unusual changes and scheduling routine checkups with a dermatologist can help detect skin cancer early. If you notice any new growths, persistent sores, or changes in moles, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider immediately. Ignoring changes in your skin can lead to delayed diagnosis and treatment, reducing the chances of a positive outcome. If you observe any unusual skin changes, seek medical advice without delay. Early action can make a significant difference in preventing the progression of skin cancer and achieving a successful treatment outcome. Number 6, changes in bowel or bladder habits. Changes in bowel or bladder habits can be important early warning signs of cancer that should not be ignored. Persistent changes such as constipation, diarrhea, or a change in the size or color of your stool can indicate colon cancer. Additionally, frequent urination, blood in the urine, or discomfort during urination can be signs of bladder or prostate cancer. These symptoms often occur because cancer affects the organs involved, disrupting their normal functions. Recognizing changes in bowel or bladder habits as potential signs of cancer is crucial for early detection and treatment. Early diagnosis significantly improves the chances of successful treatment. When cancer is caught in its early stages, treatment options are more varied and often more effective, leading to better outcomes. Regular checkups and being vigilant about any changes in your body's normal functions are essential steps in maintaining your health. If you notice persistent changes in your bowel or bladder habits, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider to rule out cancer or other serious conditions. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to delayed diagnosis and treatment, reducing the chances of recovery. Number 7, unusual bleeding or discharge. Unusual bleeding or discharge is a significant early warning sign of cancer that should never be ignored. If you notice blood where it shouldn't be, such as in your urine, stool, or from the vagina outside of your regular menstrual cycle, it could be an indicator of a serious condition. Cancers such as bladder, kidney, colorectal, or cervical cancer can cause these types of symptoms. The presence of blood often signifies that something is wrong with the tissues or organs in those areas. Recognizing unusual bleeding or discharge as a potential sign of cancer is crucial for early detection and treatment. Early diagnosis significantly improves the chances of successful treatment. When cancer is detected early, treatment options are more varied and often more effective, leading to better outcomes. Regular checkups and paying close attention to your body's signals are essential steps in maintaining your health. If you notice any unexplained bleeding or discharge, it's vital to consult with a healthcare provider immediately to rule out cancer or other serious conditions. Ignoring symptoms like unusual bleeding or discharge can lead to delayed diagnosis and treatment, reducing the chances of a positive outcome. Your health is your most valuable asset, and taking proactive steps to monitor and address any unusual changes can save your life. Early detection is key to effectively combating cancer. If you experience unexplained and unusual bleeding or discharge, don't hesitate to seek medical advice immediately. Early action can make a significant difference in preventing the progression of cancer and achieving a successful treatment outcome. Number 8, lump or thickening. A lump or thickening in the body can be an important early warning sign of cancer. Discovering a new lump or an area of thickened tissue, particularly in the breast, testicles, lymph nodes, or other parts of the body, should never be ignored. While not all lumps are cancerous, they can be indicative of cancers like breast cancer, testicular cancer, or lymphomas. It is crucial to be aware of these changes and act promptly. Recognizing a lump or thickening as a potential sign of cancer is essential for early detection and treatment. Early diagnosis significantly increases the chances of successful treatment. When cancer is caught in its early stages, treatment options are more varied and often more effective, leading to better outcomes and survival rates. Regular self-examinations and medical checkups are key steps in maintaining your health. If you discover a new lump or thickened area, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider immediately to rule out cancer or other serious conditions. Ignoring a lump or thickening can lead to delayed diagnosis and treatment, reducing the chances of recovery. Your health is your most valuable asset, and taking proactive steps to monitor and address any unusual changes can save your life. Early detection is key to effectively combating cancer. If you notice a lump or thickening that wasn't there before, don't hesitate to seek medical advice immediately. Early action can make a significant difference in achieving a positive outcome and maintaining your health. Number 9, difficulty swallowing or persistent indigestion. Difficulty swallowing or persistent indigestion can be significant early warning signs of cancer. Struggling to swallow food or liquids or experiencing chronic heartburn and discomfort in your upper abdomen could be indicators of cancers such as esophageal, stomach, or throat cancer. These symptoms often occur because tumors can obstruct the digestive tract or cause inflammation, making it difficult for food to pass through. Recognizing difficulty swallowing or persistent indigestion as potential signs of cancer is crucial for early detection and treatment. Early diagnosis significantly improves the chances of successful treatment. When cancer is caught early, treatment options are more varied and often more effective, leading to better outcomes. Regular health checkups and paying attention to any unusual changes in your body are essential steps in maintaining your health. If you experience difficulty swallowing or persistent indigestion that doesn't go away, it's important to consult with a healthcare provider immediately to rule out cancer or other serious conditions. Your health is your most valuable asset. Taking proactive steps to monitor and address any unusual changes can save your life. Early detection is key to effectively combating cancer. If you experience difficulty swallowing or persistent indigestion, don't hesitate to seek medical advice immediately. Early action can make a significant difference in achieving a positive outcome and maintaining your health. Recognizing the early warning signs of cancer can be life-saving. Ignoring symptoms such as unexplained weight loss, persistent fatigue, fever, pain, skin changes, changes in bowel or bladder habits, unusual bleeding or discharge, lumps or thickening, and difficulty swallowing or persistent indigestion can lead to delayed diagnosis and treatment, significantly reducing the chances of recovery. Early detection greatly increases the likelihood of successful treatment, offering more options and better outcomes. It is crucial to consult a doctor immediately if you notice any of these signs. Your health is your most valuable asset, and taking proactive steps to address unusual changes in your body can save your life. Don't wait until it's too late. Seek medical advice at the earliest indication of these symptoms. We encourage you to share this video with your loved ones to raise awareness about the importance of early cancer detection. If you or someone you know experiences any of these symptoms, prompt medical consultation is essential. For more health-related content and tips on maintaining your well-being, subscribe to our channel. Stay informed, stay healthy, and take charge of your health today.